When a growing enterprise has needs that extend well beyond the limitations of standard security systems, it's time to step up to PowerSeries Pro, security solution for small businesses to large-scale commercial properties. PowerSeries Pro is a European Grade 3 security system that's easy to install and easy to use, with cyber protection and scalable growth opportunities in mind. Added to that are modular communicators, onboard Ethernet, enhanced triple end-of-line and PowerG anti-masking technology, removable terminal strips, programmable hardwired zone resistance, and additional current availability that allows you to add more devices as necessary. PowerSeries Pro is also compatible with a long list of additional security products. Install them together or as you go. The system meshes them together seamlessly. It also supports multiple third-party integrations, including building management software and video access solutions, offering a versatile platform of holistic commercial security. With long-range PowerG technology, 128-bit encrypted wireless communication capabilities, PowerSeries Pro can also fulfill all commercial applications where Grade 3 is not mandatory. It's a system built to truly handle the realities of any large-scale enterprise. For more information on PowerSeries Pro, visit dsc.com/psp/EU.